Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python for Class 6, Easy Method. Start by installing Python and picking a simple editor like Thani, then open a new file and write your first print statement and a few math examples. Focus on variables, strings, and comments so you understand how code stores and shows information. Practice for short daily sessions and build small projects like a calculator or a guessing game to keep learning fun and steady. Start with clear examples of variables and data types, then move to conditional logic like if statements and looping with for and while. Show how input and output let the program interact with the user and how lists collect items for processing. Introduce simple functions to avoid repeating code and make projects cleaner. Reinforce each concept with short hands-on exercises that a 6th grader can complete in 10 to 20 minutes each. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so you see more easy coding tips and updates. Quick recommendation. I found a book called The Simple Path to Wealth that can change how you think about money, and I like how practical tips connect to planning your learning budget. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab it if you want a great read. Now let's get back to the video. Choose tiny projects that combine the core skills like a guessing game, calculator, or quiz to apply what you learned. Break each project into steps. Plan, write, test, and improve. Test each piece as you go so bugs stay small and understandable. Encourage trying variations, like adding levels or more questions, to practice creativity. These projects build confidence and show how simple tools create useful and fun programs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.